Welcome to the skies, where size truly matters. Today, we're soaring into the world of the largest living flying birds. These majestic creatures defy gravity with wingspans that stretch wider than some cars, and a presence that commands awe wherever they fly. When we think of birds, we often imagine small fluttering creatures, but nature has a few surprises. Birds so large, they seem to belong to prehistoric times. These are the titans of the air, and they've evolved to master flight despite their massive size. Let's meet the top contenders for the title of largest living flying bird. And no, we're not talking about ostriches or emus. They're flightless. We're talking wingspan, weight, and altitude. With a wingspan reaching up to 3.5 meters, or over 11 feet, the wandering albatross holds the record for the longest wingspan of any living bird. These oceanic wanderers glide effortlessly over the Southern Ocean, sometimes staying airborne for hours without flapping. Next up, the Andean condor. Native to South America's mountainous regions, this bird boasts a wingspan of around 3 meters and can weigh up to 15 kilograms. It's not just big, it's powerful, using thermal updrafts to soar for miles in search of carrion. Found across sub-Saharan Africa, the marabou stork may not win beauty contests, but it's undeniably massive. With a wingspan of up to 3 meters and a height that rivals a human child, this scavenger plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Europe's largest flying bird, the Dalmatian pelican, is a freshwater giant. It can weigh up to 15 kilograms and flaunts a wingspan of nearly 3.5 meters. Its throat pouch is iconic and practical for scooping up fish. Flying at such size isn't easy. These birds rely on specialized adaptations, broad wings for gliding lightweight bones to reduce mass thermal currents to gain altitude without effort. Unlike hummingbirds or sparrows, these giants don't flap constantly. They ride the wind like surfers on invisible waves. Many of these birds face threats: habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. The wandering albatross, for example, is vulnerable due to longline fishing. The Andean condor suffers from poisoning and habitat fragmentation. But there's hope. Conservation efforts, breeding programs, and protected reserves are helping these giants stay aloft. So next time you look up, remember, some of the world's most extraordinary creatures are gliding silently above us. They're not just birds, they're living legends of the sky. Thanks for flying with us today. If you enjoyed this journey, give us a like, subscribe, and share your favorite flying giant in the comments below. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.